Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a notification from Dropbox, enabling app icon badges is a great way to keep track of alerts right from your home screen. These little badges show you how many notifications are waiting inside the app, making it quick and easy to stay updated without unlocking your phone or opening Dropbox. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable app icon badges for default notifications on Dropbox using the latest settings. First, grab your phone and go to the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon and can be accessed from your app drawer or notification shade. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps, or it might be called Apps and Notifications depending on your device. Next, find Dropbox in your list of installed apps and select it. This will open the app-specific settings. Tap on Notifications to see the notification options for Dropbox. After that, you'll want to tap on Notification Categories. This section organizes the different types of notifications Dropbox sends. Here, look for a category named Default and tap on it to open more detailed settings. Inside the Default Notification category, you'll see an option labeled App Icon Badges. Simply toggle this option on. Once enabled, your phone will display a small badge over the Dropbox app icon whenever you have new notifications inside the app. This badge automatically updates whenever you receive new alerts, helping you stay connected at a glance. That's it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have visual reminders on your home screen that keep you notified about files, shared folders, or any activity related to your Dropbox account. It's a handy feature that boosts productivity and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Enjoy the convenience of app icon badges on Dropbox and stay effortlessly updated with every change or notification. Thanks for watching.